Now we are going to see the fifth sum. The length of the rectangle is 1/3 of the breadth, and if the perimeter is 64 meter, then find the length and the breadth. So the length is L and the breadth is shorter side is breadth and the length is the longest side. So that we have written. Then they have said the breadth is 3 times. So 3 times length is 3 times 1/3 times the breadth. So B by 3. Next we are just cross multiplying. So 3B is equal to 3L. Then we know that perimeter means 2 into L plus B. So 2 into L plus B is equal to 64. We are just multiplying inside. Then here breadth means what we are just substituting 3L. So then 6L, here 2L. So totally how many L? 8L is equal to 64. Then L is equal to 64 by 8. So L is equal to what is the answer? 8 we are getting. So next is we know that breadth is equal to 3L. So breadth is equal to 3 into 8. So breadth is equal to 24. We are getting. Okay. Next what we are going to see. Therefore L is equal to 8 and breadth is equal to 24 centimeter. Next we are going to see is a sixth sum. A total of 90 currency notes consisting only ₹5 and ₹10 denominations amount to ₹500. Find the number of the notes in each denomination they have said. Now we are going to write on the step what they have given. So first one we are just considering solution. Solution, let the number of ₹5 notes, let the number of ₹5 notes be X and the number of ₹10 notes be Y. Therefore the total number of notes is X plus Y is equal to 90. The total value of the notes is rupees, that is 500 rupees. Next is the value of one ₹5 note is 5. Then the value of that is value of X ₹5 notes is 5 into X equal to 5X. Therefore value of Y is ₹10 notes is 10 into Y is equal to 10Y. The total value is 5X plus 10Y. Okay, which is 500. Okay, so this have what they have given, just we have written like this. Okay, so the total value of 90 currencies and it consisting of ₹5 and ₹10. So likewise we have written it as we are going to form the equation. Next what they have given, total of 90 currency notes they have given. So that we are taking as X plus Y is equal to 90. Next we are just writing as 5X plus 10Y is equal to 500. So let this be 1 and let this be 2. Now we are just multiplying 1 into 5. So that implies 5x plus 5y is equal to 450. Okay, next here nothing we no need to multiply. So 2. So 2 implies 5x plus 10y is it equal to 500. Then you just change the sign. So that is minus 5y is it equal to minus 50. Then y is it equal to minus 50 by minus 5. Then y is it equal to, what is the answer you will be getting? 10. Then put y is it equal to 10 in 1. Then x plus y is it equal to 90. Then x plus 10 is it equal to 90. Then x equal to 90 minus 10. Then x equal to 80. Okay, so therefore the rupees 5 denominations are 80 members and rupees 10 denomination are 10 members.